Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu says, I have heard nothing from Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu about which he said it was in this way according to my views and it would not come true accordingly. Once Hazrat Umar was sitting and a handsome man happened to pass by him. He said, either my conjecture is wrong or he is still on his religion of pre-Islamic period or a soothsayer. So he was summoned and asked about it. He said, I have never seen a Muslim being asked a question like this. He said, I will not let you go until you tell me the truth. He said, I was a soothsayer in the period of ignorance. He said, which most astonishing thing did your female jinn convey to you? He said, one day while I was in the market, she came to me thoroughly scared and said, don't you know how much frightened and despair the jinns are since they have been proscribed from getting heavenly news? They have clung to the pack saddles and cloth covering of she camels. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, you have spoken the truth. One day, while I was sleeping near the idols, a man came with a loud voice from inside it, as I have never heard such a harsh sound. It was said, O enemy, I tell you a thing of your favor, by which you can have your wish granted. An eloquent man is saying, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, there is no worthy of worship saves you. So the people ran away from there. But I said, I will not go until I witness what will happen next. So again the same voice came, O enemy, I tell you a thing of your favor, by which you can have your wish granted. An eloquent man is saying, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, there is no worthy of worship saves you. I then got up and went away. Only a few days later the people started saying, he is a Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3866.